We're at Jerry Corvino's. We're 21 feet back into the house from the house trap. Fresh air, we went backwards in. We have a Y here at the bathroom. You can see sewer gnats. It looks like we have a break right beyond the Y there. If you look on the right, you can see some debris, an entry point there. As we come back, the rest of the line here, we have terracotta piping. We have a little offset here where it looks like the joint's allowing some roots to intrude. Keep coming back. And we got terracotta piping. Again, here we have a little misalignment on that joint. Another misalignment here at 12 feet. This one here, you can actually see that joint is broken. You can see on the bottom left corner there. And we're back to the house trap. From there out, it's been lined already. It looks to be in good condition. That's the porch that everything's running under, as you can see.